Welcome to DIY and Fix It. In this video you are going to learn how to wire a three-way switch. A three-way switch is a little bit more complicated than single-pole switch, but I'm going to show you how to make it easy so you can do it yourself. Now some common situation where you might find a three-way switch would be at the bottom and at the top of your stairs or in a space that has multiple entrances like your garage. Now the three-way switch operates one light. You can turn them on and off from either location. So let's stick around and do the wiring together. In this switch there is COM, L1 and L2. I have already connected these two wires to the top plug. In East Africa we are using black as a neutral and the brown wire is live. Connect the neutral wire direct to the light. Now I'm going to connect the brown live wire to the COM. In this switch, this is the COM or input. I hope my camera can capture. This is another switch. I'm connecting this blue wire in L1. I'm going to take it to the first switch L1 and connect it there as well. I have the same blue wire and now I'm going to connect it to L2 in both switch. Take a closer look. This is the final circuit. Very interesting. It is going to the light. There is our circuit is completed. Let's check it. How is it working? The neutral is connected direct to the top plug. The live circuit is connected to the switch COM or input of our second switch, or whatever you guys called. Let me know, leave a comment below. The input of switch number 1 is connected to the top plug as well. Let's see how is it working. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any comment, don't hesitate, let us know which DIY video do you like.